Neo yuma mbica mucemanio-ini wa arimu anene a cukuru cia muthingi bururi-ini. Arimu aya anene makienda muikariri giti wa ngwataniro yao Kipcha Shemdolo ahagurwo. O ni thutha wa muikariri giti ucio kwirikana kwariria arutani aya anene uru riria megutetagia kuongererwo kwa mbeca iria marengagwo o mweri kuma ciringi 100 nginya ciringi 500 o mweri.
Kama Kipcha tunataka sasa external auditor hata naye angalie ndio atupatie hiyo report.
Arutani aya anene marauga ati thengia ya gutinio mbeca icio ona matimenyaga uria cihuthikaga na mageria gukinyira muikariri giti uyu akamariria uru.
If they give us only 500, what is wrong? Must we run an office without money? Must we look for supporters, donors, partners when we are able? Are we earning stones or money? Surely, Jameni.
But it was very arrogant, and the teachers were very much annoyed because these are CEOs, these are managers of the school. When you tell them that I don't want nonsense, what do you mean? And that's why we, in fact, did not want to see him. We did not want to see him in the hall.
Ngwataniro ino ya arutani a cukuru cia muthingi Kipcha ikoragwo na amemba 23,000 na o murutani atinio ciringi 500 o mweri ni kuonania ati o mweri marutaga ciringi 11,500,000. Giki ari kionereria ati o mwaka ngwataniro iyo ya Kipcha yonganagia ciringi 138 kuma kuri arutani acio o mwaka.
Tuko na members 23,000. Ikichukua 500 unapata ni pesa mingi. Na tena wakati wa kuja conference kila mmoja wetu analipa shilingi 6,000.
Undu ungi uria muikariri giti uyu aracukirwo ni kuregana na murugamo wa kiama kia arutani NAT gwitia mugomo wa gutetera arutani handu ha gukorwo ari mwena wao.
Yesterday, what he also said on the press, he said that teachers are not supporting the strike. Which teachers had he met? Which teachers had he met yesterday? That was his own notion, and that we cannot support it.
Arutani aya ningi marauga ati ni marikitie kumenya ati muikariri giti ucio ni aitaire miaka iganona mithiru na kwaya gukorwo nikio akoretwo akimagaruruka matua-ini ma bata. Kumana na uguo, arutani aya anene maugite no nginya meherie muikariri giti ucio na mathure murutani atari araritaya uria ukumatereba uria kwagiriire.
And in fact, it also brought in the idea that the man retired long time ago. Why is he still serving as the chairman of the Kipcha?
Kama mtu ameretire au ameretire hata katika uongozi ya association wetu, hiyo ndio tunataka. Na hiyo lazima kabla hatujamaliza hii conference, hiyo lazima itekelezwe.
How do I resign because of noise, lady? You resign because people make noise. You resign when you have the inability to perform. But in their noise, where have I not performed? You are intelligent.
Mucemanio uyu uharagirio o mwaka niguo kwaririria maundu matiganite ma kugacirithia githomo cukuru-ini cia muthingi bururi-ini, na President Uhuru Kenyatta niwe utanyitwo gukahingura mucemanio uyu muthenya wa rucio. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.